Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me and Skyler, and today we're going hiking. Not like actual up a hill, we're just going hiking. I know.
We're going around the circle.
Yeah. I've got gum here. Dee, 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 dee.
I got Dopey for Cash.
Yeah. And today we're not going to go that way. We're going that way.
Yeah. For real.
Yeah, we're not going all the way like down there where there's a steep hill.
Yep.
Well, we have to go over there. Wait, hold on. Is that guys? Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, B. You gotta be in the video. It's Mr. B. Usually is. Okay.
Already.
There's our friend's old house.
Yeah.
He used to live here. Like actually live here.
Yeah.
Instead he moved out he started to move on. Well guys, this video is gonna be pretty long. But guys, listen. We just wanted to show you this real quick. Look at this. That's supposed to be a pond. Well, let's just keep going. Well, Mr. B. Well, we don't have far to go. I just love gum. Oh, guys, do you want to see nature? Look at nature. That's my dad's cabin. We're here just for the weekend. We'll probably be here for 3 days, but my sister is always going to annoy me. I don't know why. She usually does that. And, well, most thing is that we are going to show you what's on that hill. Got it, guys? Okay. Time to go on the hill in 1 minute. Okay, there we go. We're going on the hill. Gotta be careful of pricklies. Is that Hercules? It's pricklies. Well. Look at this. Well, Sky, you want to come up here and look? While I wait down here? Oh, that side. You have to go on this side. But there's less pricklies. Well, Skyler goes look on the mountain. I'll go look on this little hill. Hill. Oh my God, I'm mixed up today since I just got here like 5 hours ago. Well, you get to see nature again, but everybody, whoever's watching this, has to subscribe. I got hurt. I still went for it. Okay. Well, this is our log thing. We made this. I'm just kidding. Nobody made this.
Yeah.
I don't know who actually. Somebody did make this.
Yeah.
Here's more nature. Why is there a pipe over there? Who cares? Let's get down, Skyler. Yeah. Our next video is going to be studying for a video game. I'm already a video game. I just got this is just a special surprise. I made one video. This is just a second. Something in my shoe.
Yeah.
Well, there's a stick. There's some elephant space. Yeah, you know Dobie. I make some other videos. If you subscribe to my other channel, I'll probably buy you gum.
Yeah, subscribe, hit the bell.
Yep.
Say, don't miss anything.
Yeah, let's hit 1 billion likes.
Yeah.
And then I'll make another video tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Yeah. I'll show you the inside of our camp tomorrow. Okay, bye. Okay. we'll just show you a little more about the video. Well, that's my dad. He's usually cuckoo. And I'm almost done here. Yeah, pretty good on this second video. But bye!